Have you ever wondered how an amigurumi pattern can be no-sew when there are clearly pieces that require attaching? In this video, I'm going to show you how no-sew crochet patterns attach pieces. When you reach the part of the pattern for attachment, you simply hold your pieces with the stitches of the round you're working in and work your single crochet stitches through both the prior round you're crocheting into and the piece you're attaching. In a traditional pattern, you might start with making the main body of your amigurumi, followed by all of the pieces that would later be sewn on. In a no-sew pattern, you typically make all of your ancillary pieces first and then the main body piece last. In this video, I'm demonstrating my no-sew turtle crochet pattern called Nala the Turtle. You'll notice that all of the pieces that are to be crocheted on are all closed up on the ends with single crochet stitches, rather than being closed with slip stitches or by sewing them closed. This is an important part of the process so that you can work your single crochet stitches easily through both the piece you're working and the piece you're attaching. For some no-sew patterns, it may be important to pay attention to the direction in which you're attaching your pieces. You of course don't want the legs to be facing on the inside of your project. I find it helpful to first hold the piece in the direction it is to sit after attaching, and then flip it to whatever side of the project has the right side of the stitches to ensure that I don't accidentally attach the limb to the inside of the project. Of course, if that happens, you can easily pull out the single crochet stitches that you used to attach the piece and start again. After you've finished a round where you've attached pieces, you'll move on to your next round where you'll just crochet as normal. And here you can see all of the pieces attached with the yarn tails hidden away inside.